Hi guys, Ange here. Thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel. This is a second attempt at a tutorial showing you this eyeshadow look. I filmed it once before and it turned out I hadn't pushed the record button, so I thought I would redo this look because I am thoroughly enjoying it and I'm wearing it quite regularly lately. And the look is using the KKW Classic Collection eyeshadow palette. I just adore this palette. I've been enjoying it, and even though I probably have lots of duplicate colours like this in my collection, I've been reaching for this palette an awful lot. Before we get started guys, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button. I would love to see you back, and if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate your support. Now, I was very reluctant to buy any products from the KKW Beauty range, mainly because a lot of people had complained about customer service, about shipping, etc. I can't get this product shipped directly to New Zealand, so I used my US shipping address and I had no problems. Yes, it took a wee while, but we take a wee while for any product here in New Zealand. So normally when things are launched, it's very rare that you get the chance to get it at the very beginning of its launch with everyone else in the US. It normally takes a wee while, before we can get it here shipped, or if there is a company that stocks it that will ship it to New Zealand. So that wasn't a bother for me. I found the prices fairly reasonable for what they are. I bought this palette here and the lipstick that I am wearing, which is the Creme Nude number 5. Love both. I am tempted to try the other Classic Collection palette in the KKW Beauty range, and I'm definitely going to try some different lipstick colours. I will leave links down below to the website, and I'm really pleased I took the plunge and gave it a go, because I'm pleasantly and happily surprised that I enjoy this so much. So without further ado guys, without me rambling on, if you would like to see how I created this look, it's a look that I've been wearing quite regularly, please keep watching. So these are the stunning colours in the KKW Classic Collection palette. These are just gorgeous. Okay, so the first row you have Saint, Florence, Selfish, Calabash and Chicago. Okay, and the second row, Fade, Dash, North, Family and Gemini. Okay, so I've primed my lids and I'm going to go in with this first creamy shade, which is Fade. Always have to swap the colours around when I'm trying to read the colours on the back. Pretty sure that's right. Fade. Yes, Fade. And I'm just going to take that all over my lid just to set the primer. I've actually been wearing this look a lot lately. I have really enjoyed this palette and the way I've been doing it. Okay, so I'm going to build up lots of layers of colours starting from the lightest through, just to build that transition colour. So I'm going to go in with this mustardy colour here, which is Florence, and just start that. At the top and blending. I'm hoping that this will be one of the quicker tutorial videos that I do, instead of rambling and taking so long. So then just making sure that we have I've gone high anyway, closing that space between my crease, which is very low down, giving me a lot of real estate between here and the brow, and just trying to blend that to not make it look quite so spacious. Using the same brush, I'm now going to go in with the more pinky colour, and this is called Selfish. Doing the same, blending it in, just bringing it down just a smidge more, but just building up that transition area. Taking a Morphe R37 brush, I'm now going to go in with this more caramel colour, and that is Calabasas. And I'm just going to do the same, but come down more into the actual crease and more onto the lid. And this is giving a more blown out effect of all the colours transitioning. But in such a soft way. Now I'm going to take this dark brown colour, and that is Gemini, with a Morphe S12 brush. And I'm just going to stamp that on the outer portion of my eye just softly, just like that. And going back in with the R37 brush, I'm going to take this reddy colour, Family, and I'm going to concentrate that more on the lid, taking it up to the crease, but just blending in that dark brown as part of the look. And just to give it just something a little different, because I'm going out this evening, I will take the Makeup Geek Outer V colour, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this coppery colour here called North, and just put that along the lash line. And just softly putting just a little bit, so that it's not actually standing out on its own, but I'm just adding a little bit of that shimmer to that bottom portion of the eyelid. I'm going to repeat some of those colours underneath using a Sigma Short Shader E20 brush, and I'm just going to layer up the colours and blend them underneath the eye. I might take the Anastasia brush and just use the out of that and blending it. Now I'm going to take a Morphe brush, and I don't know what it is, but it's just a really little pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shimmery shade Saint, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner, or inner wee bit, just to give it a bit of light. There. And then going back with my Morphe R37 and just blending everything in. really so easy, but I did use lots of colours to just blend it all in. And then if you're wanting to just make sure everything's blended, go back in with one of the lighter shades and then just buff that in to the top line closest to the brow. So that's the shadows for a really smoky but warm smoky brown look. I will go and duck off camera and do my eyeliner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's the finished look with the eyelashes and eyeliner on. I'm wearing the KKW number 5 Nude Cream lipstick, which just goes beautifully with this look. I am just so loving this palette. Couldn't highly recommend it enough. Seriously wouldn't have said that 6 months ago because I had never tried any of the KKW products. But this palette I absolutely love and is one of my favourites, and I'm so tempted to even try the other Classic Collection palette. I think it might be Cherry, not sure, but I'm tempted to give that a go because I just love the way these apply. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later guys. Bye.